morning. My name is Ilya. I represent a Russian company called Nanosemantics, and our main business direction was previously B2B development of chatbots for large Russian companies like retail, banking, and so on, like help assistants or support management. And then we decided that we need to promote the idea of chatbots for ordinary people, to make them know what chatbots are and how to use them, and actually like an advertisement for our B2B direction. And we have developed our Russian project called iai.ru, it's sp2pt1, and then introduced Inf.net project in English. Now I want to show you a small movie about the project, and then start.
This is the place where Infs are born. Great to have your very own Inf. Let's see how it's done. First, choose the colours and body features for your Inf. Then try and arrange your designer clothing and accessories to give it its own unique look. Your Inf is ready. Her name is Anna. Infs can make friends and chat with each other. Oh no! What's happening? Nobody wants to be friends with Anna. Why is that? Although she looks great, Anna is not very interesting to talk to because her conversations are limited. So, it's back to school. Infs need to be taught to improve their vocabulary so that their personality shines through. We have provided some popular topics to help you create your Inf's unique character. When you've completed creating the Inf, you will be able to hold conversations on each of these topics. All Infs have their own personal profiles. They can use this information during conversations to help support their own unique identity. To help bring them to life, you can teach your Inf how to react to certain situations, such as when a guest clicks on them, or if nobody talks to them for a defined period of time. Conversation topics can vary greatly, and your Inf must be taught to understand as much as possible and give logical replies. To do this, you can create as many topics as you want with the help of templates. A new Inf finds it difficult to reply to everything, so you can teach it responses to use whenever it cannot understand what has been said. Examine the conversations in logs to see where your Inf's vocabulary needs improving. By tweaking the replies, you will improve all future conversations with guests and other Infs. A well-taught Inf is always fun to chat with. Look how her rating is going up. She's so popular. An Inf can be your second self, third, fourth, 10th. You can create as many as you want. Mary Carson Goth, conform as Miss Hart, probable husband of Miss Hart, Asker, Super Ego, Patricia. The sky's the limit, so express yourself. Come and join us.
So, to the details. So, as we've seen, there's a community of virtual characters. We call them Infs. It's just chatbots, actually. So, iai.ru was introduced in March 2009, so it's 1 year old, and we have just launched in January the English version of the Inf.net. This is our simple steps how to create. You choose appearance, you teach it. When in the video they showed there was shown that only one answer is possible, but actually there are multiple answers possible. When Inf is done, you can chat with it, you can test it, and then you choose the platform where you want to put it, post it. Also, you can choose appearance of balloon, for example, and size of the Inf. And then when visitors in the website chat with your Inf, you can create conversation logs, and this is very interesting for our users. And you can change answers So you can say, okay, in this case you should answer in a different way, and it will make that. Yes. So there are several ways to teach this. Actually, inside there is a language quite similar to AIML, but it is not based on XML because we prefer to use simpler string-based language just to allow our linguists and knowledge engineers not to work with XML without code. So you can fill answers with predefined recognition part, then you can create new templates with wildcards, endings, and so on. You can create data trees, these are anchors or graphs of layouts, and you can build reaction to use like timeout, mouse, and so on. And we have a lot of other features like conditional operators, variables, and so on. But very important idea is to keep it simple for our users because we have a lot of quite young users and we don't want to make it complicated for them. How do they use it? It is like extension for your social profile in Facebook, for example, so you can teach your info, post it on your Facebook page. It's just an entertaining website widget. For example, you can put it on your own website, and it will ask something. It can make service. You can just give jobs to your friends and visitors. Avatar, virtual pet, possibly. Well, our users create a lot of things with games and quests inside, and it can be a website navigator. So, about what's interesting. In 1 year, it's almost 700,000 inks created by our users, and we have 370,000 Russian-speaking users. So it's like 2 inks per user. And we have up to 1 million phrases per day, like 100 to 200,000 conversations, and a lot of users for our website. This is the audience. This is not actual age of our audience, but these are based on answers that our users teach in how to answer the question how they. So the medium is 15 years old. So the majority of users are between 11 and 20. Of course, for internet, users have to sign that they are older than 20 years old. Yes, and half of our users are younger than 15 and half older than 15. This is a peak on 16 years old just because children like to answer that they are older than they are. And 2/3 of our users are female. Just because they like dolls and playing with avatars. What are we going to do? We are going to make more realistic, not actually realistic, but a world with a lot of gaming features, like cheer levels, competitions, and so on, with geographical locations. Yes, imps can talk to each other. I can show it if you want. Of course, there is quite interesting that our users create a lot of templates for their imps. Some users create tens of thousands of templates, and we all host them. And actually, there is a good task to work with them, like using some statistical approach, adding some answer that we didn't forecast when users frequently had, for example, or finding answers for. Well, currently imps answer only using the knowledge base that is put by its author or creator, but we can use actually the whole knowledge base of all the imps.